Respected Principal Mr. Moni Yohanan, Vice Principal Mr. Asif Ali, Academic Coordinator PJ John, teachers, respected parents, and my dear students, a warm good morning to one and all. On July 21st each year, we celebrate National Moon Day to honor an incredible accomplishment on mankind, the first man to walk on the moon. The space community celebrate this day to commemorate the milestone achieved by the humans. Today is the 52nd anniversary of the first moon landing by Apollo 11 mission. This trip was conducted by three astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon. The astronauts were to land, walk, and collect samples from the moon to bring back home to Earth. Armstrong descended a ladder at 11:56 p.m. on July 20, 1969 and uttered the words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Michael Collins orbited the moon while Armstrong and Aldrin spent roughly 2.5 hours roaming this new and uncharted territory as the entire world watched live on the television. After a successful landing on the moon on July 24, the astronauts landed in Hawaii. Ever since the beginning, man has been fascinated by the moon. We have looked at it with wonder, and it shows in the earlier works of poets and scientists. To reveal the mystery of the moon, scientists tried to study it. Thus, a lot of attempts were made to send humans to the moon. On July 21, 1969, two Americans, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin, made it to the moon. A lot of American scientists have sent their men to the moon multiple times now. Thus, man has conquered the moon, and it is not a mystery anymore. Now, on this occasion, let us learn some basic fact about the moon. The moon was formed 4.5 million years ago. It was around 30 to 50 million years after the origin of the solar system. Out of debris thrown into the orbit, a massive collision. This collision was between a smaller port Earth and another planetoid which was about the size of Mars. As we all know, moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth that moves around the Earth. It is shining at night by the light which the sun reflects on it. While people find the moon to be very beautiful, it is not as beautiful as it appears to be. Moon does not have an atmosphere around it, thus we do not see any form of life on the moon. Because of the absence of atmosphere, the lunar days are quite hot and the lunar nights are very cold. The moon's surface is full of rocks and craters. In fact, if you look at the moon from your naked eye, you can see some dark spot on it. There are dangerous rocks and craters. In addition, the gravitational pull of the moon is less than that of the planet Earth. As a result, it will be difficult to walk on the surface of the moon. As the moon orbits around Earth and Earth orbits around the sun, the angle between the sun and moon Earth changes. As a result, the amount of sunlight that reflects off the moon and travels to our eyes changes every day. We see the moon's disk change from all dark to all light to all dark again. The span of time is called lunar cycle or lunation or lunar month or synodic month. The length of this cycle is an average of 29.53 days. Astronomers have broken down this cycle into four primary moon phases: new moon, first quarter, full moon, and last quarter. There are also four secondary phases: waxing crescent, waxing gibbous, waning gibbous, and waning crescent. So, dear students, I hope you got a clear idea about the structure of moon and its importance. So today, take a moment to look up and knew that 52 years ago, a human was walking among the stars. Thank you. Have a nice day.